How to gain more followers on Threads. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can gain more followers on Threads. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're looking for how you can grow your followers on your Threads, you may just follow this strategies in order to boost your presence effectively. So the number one thing is you may just optimize your profile. You just need to optimize your profile. Use a high quality picture, for example your face or your brand logo if you're using or operating any kind of business on your Threads application. Write a concise and a captivating bio that reflects your personality or niche. You may just go to edit profile. There you'll be able to find bio. You just need to use a captivating bio that reflects your personality, which attracts other people. So you may just include, other than that, you may also include relevant links to your other platforms or website like your YouTube channel or other various kind of platforms that are available. The next thing is you may just post consistently, like sharing engaging contents regularly to keep your profile active and visible. Experiment with posting times to discover when your audience is more active. Go on with the trends, the type of trends that is going on the Threads app. Use a mix of post types like short thoughts, memes, conversational questions, or helpful tips. The next thing is you may engage actively with the community, like reply to the comments on your post if you have posted any, to show appreciation and start conversations. Comment thoughtfully on other posts as well, and especially on yours, and post interesting content with your own perspective. And you may just go there, go to your account, you can find a repost, just repost those which is similar with your interest in your account as well. Create a shareable content like writable or witty posts that other wants to share or repost. Post eye-catching visuals such as images, memes, or simple graphics. Share different kind of useful tips, insights, or quotes that resonates with your audience as well. The next thing is go on with the trends. As I said, leverage hashtags. There are different kind of hashtags that may be going on during that time of period. So just participate in the trending conversations to tap in your broader audiences. Start your own hashtag campaign to rally your followers around a topic and increase your followers. The next thing is collaborate with different kind of brands with each other, like different content creators. Partner with creators or brands in your niche for cross promotion. Repost or engage with their content to tap into their audience as well. And the last thing you may follow the strategy is ask questions and start conversations. Post open-ended questions to spark replies and interactions. Use polls, this or that style posts to engage your followers, and that's basically you may use. And the last and other than that, you may analyze and adapt your type of post to perform best and do more of what works. Use feedback from your followers in order to refine your content strategy as well. So therefore, these are the process or methods you may follow in order to gain your more followers on Threads. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.